Hi guys, and welcome to another episode. I'm Crypto Waymo, and of course here you can expect to find the most recent news and updates in the world of cryptocurrency. So in other words, when we know, you know. It's just that simple, guys. All right, so I'll tell you what, let's get right into it. Today in the world of crypto, we have quite a bit of news that we wanted to talk about today. Quite of information going on out there in the current market. A couple of catalysts and things that we want to take a look out for and ensure that we can move appropriately based on the things that we see ahead. On this channel, we emphasize that it is important, of course, at all times that we do our own research. I always encourage you to trust but verify. This is not financial advice. This is only my opinion. And I firmly believe in the future of cryptocurrency, and I truly feel that the returns that are ahead in this market are returns that absolutely are game-changing, absolutely are life-changing, absolutely put us a few years down the line where we look back of cryptocurrency and say, wow, we almost can't believe we're here based on those strategic investments that we may have made early on. So whether you're new to crypto, whether you've been a long-term investor in cryptocurrency, either of the two, I'm sure you recognize now that a lot of the portfolios are maybe not giving us the immediate returns. There've been a lot of, red in terms of portfolios. Market's been down, for the last couple of weeks. But we understand that this is only temporary, and we understand that the upgrowth ahead of us, makes us much more excited than the bearish nature that we see just for the present time. So, guys, let's get right into it. I got a couple of pieces of information I want to drop on you, and feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe if you're not already to the channel. Drop down in the comment links. Let me know what cryptocurrency you have your eye on. Let me know what you're excited about as it relates to cryptocurrency. And like I said, day to day, we can continue to leverage or gather research, and hopefully we all can make educated decisions for ourselves based on trusting the research that we've done. Let's get into the market today, guys. Let's take a look and see where we are in terms of our standings in the market. Look at today's market and where we stand. Taking a look, we're at a market cap of $1.44 trillion today, up 2.10% increase over the last day. Let's take a look at some of our coins, starting here with Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently sitting at $33,858. We obviously saw yesterday, we saw a little movement, upward trends. We're still trying to break resistance with Bitcoin. We're hoping we can break the resistance of the other side of 35,000. And that may give us an opportunity to begin to hopefully see some bullish runs with Bitcoin. Up 0.48% in the last 24 hours, down 6.87 cents. 6.86%. Looks like it's moved as we speak in the last 7 days. Ethereum, 2,305, up 3.9%. In the 24-hour time frame, up 3.32% in regards to our 7-day. All right. Some of our other coins that we're keeping an eye out for, of course, Dogecoin. Dogecoin had approached 25 cents yesterday. Looks like we experienced some resistance. We've gone down to 23 At the moment, looks like we're down 0.5%, 24 hours down 13.82% in regards to the 7-day graph. Another popular one that we want to take a look at, a lot of individuals have been asking me about, is Shiba. Shiba, wanted to point out there, had in a 24-hour time frame up 4.23%, down 5.34% in regards to the 7-day. Definitely another one that we are, of course, keeping an eye on as well. Overall in the market, honestly, there is a lot of red that we see, but at the same time, we understand that, obviously it's just a matter of, us kind of getting away from the FUD that is a part of the market and, really. All right, guys. So as you can see for yourself, not really a ton of movement in the market, as of right now. However, as I said, it is important that day to day that we kind of keep an eye out to identify where things are. And as I said, that we incorporate the appropriate catalysts and, things that, help to drive upward trends in the market. A couple of things that I want to take a look at. First thing I want to actually take a look at is one of the articles that I have. Article I've leveraged is from CoinDesk. A ton of catalysts that I truly feel are ahead of us. This is just another example that kind of leverages the fact that the mainstream adoption is literally, I feel, much closer than what we're aware of. Most institutional investors expect to increase crypto exposure by 2023. 4 out of 10 respondents say they plan to increase their crypto holdings dramatically. So, that's something for us to think about, guys. Why are the financial institutions, vesting in cryptocurrency, right? If they do not feel that the cryptocurrency realm has the value of what we preach, and if they feel that the value of cryptocurrency is not something that would be the future of currency, then you have to ask yourself why there are, so many different investments that are being made from a financial standpoint. Survey found that 82% of institutional investors expect to increase their exposure to crypto and digital assets by 2023. Right? Additionally, 4 out of 10 respondents say they would increase their crypto holdings dramatically, with fewer than 1 in 10 saying they would reduce their exposure. Among reasons for increasing exposure, 58 cited the long-term capital growth prospects of crypto and digital assets. Over a third of respondents said it would be because of their feeling more comfortable with the asset class, 38%, or the improving regulatory environment of 34%. All right. Again, so these are just examples of what's right in our face, guys. We can't deny this. These are literal moves that are being made by financial institutions to accumulate, to ensure that they don't miss the boat when obviously, we transition more to mainstream utilization of cryptocurrency. So, this puts you in a situation where you really have to ask yourself, what side of the coin am I on? And I think this is just another as many examples that we'll continue to bring forth that, kind of reinforce or, give you real live examples of research and studies that have been done that help to support the point that, cryptocurrency, is being accumulated, and financial institutions are just as excited to accumulate as we are day to day. So, when we see those dips or we see those declines, we understand that it's an opportunity to accumulate. And this is the value of cryptocurrency, because it allows us to get right in the game with those large financial institutions, accumulate, hodl, and change the game. So, that's what it's all about, guys. All right. And then, of course, we've also talked about mainstream adoption, or the conversation is always on the table about mainstream adoption. When will cryptocurrency be accepted all over the world? When will cryptocurrency be a day-to-day currency that I'll be able to utilize in all that I do? I honestly think that opportunity for us is sooner than later, guys. I can't emphasize how early we are in the world of cryptocurrency. 1% of the world, guys, is invested in cryptocurrency. So that really shows us, the exponential growth that is, of course, ahead of us in the world of cryptocurrency. Can you imagine yourself being invested in something that 1% of the world is vested in? Can you imagine where those returns take you when we are 15% vested, when we are 25% vested, so on and so forth? You know how those numbers go. So this is another reason why it's a great opportunity and why I'm so excited to be a part of cryptocurrency right now in the phases that it is in. Let's take a look at another article here, which kind of helps to reinforce or support the insight as it relates to potential mainstream adoption, and another example of why I feel that mainstream adoption is literally right. Another article that I want to bring to your attention was an article from CoinTelegraph. One thing in terms of my portfolio, I love Ethereum. Ethereum is a large percentage of my overall crypto portfolio. I love the future of what Ethereum has to offer. I love the safety, security, the blockchain system that Ethereum has that allows them to build dApps, or as you may know, simply in the world of crypto, apps or applications within it. So I definitely feel that Ethereum is one of those coins that's going to definitely see high growth and advancement here as we continue to move forward. Ethereum price can gain 40% on Bitcoin, argues analysts as London Fauconniers. I thought this was interesting. I've heard a lot of conversations about Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I've seen a lot of comparisons in regards to the value. I've seen individuals and a lot of experts say that at some point they wouldn't be surprised to see a flip in between Ethereum and Bitcoin, which we know right now currently is king of the market. Ethereum is continuing to run against the Bitcoin pair. Beautiful flip as Ethereum and Bitcoin stretches price rebound from its June 27th low of 0.0552 BTC by 21.28%. It showed that more traders preferred to sell their Bitcoin holdings to seek opportunities in the Ether market in recent days. On a year-to-date time frame, the second largest cryptocurrency had already surged by more than 160% against Bitcoin. So just something else, of course, to look out for in regards to overall added value. Definitely encourage you to, do your research on Ethereum. And me personally, my personal opinion, I truly feel that there will be phenomenal returns by hodling Ethereum in the next couple of years. I look at Ethereum as more of a overall long-term investment, to be totally honest with you. It's all about the research, guys, and the research gives us clear insight to stand firm and see for ourselves that cryptocurrency will be the future of currency. I firmly believe that, guys. Now, of course, that's just my opinion, but based on the facts and the research I've done, I have every reason to stand by that. Gather the research, know for ourselves that we can believe in, trust in what we verify there, and most importantly, putting ourselves in an opportunity to be a risk taker and get large rewards ultimately at the end. So I'm very, very excited about that. More details and insight, as I said, day to day as it relates to cryptocurrency. And that way we can grow, and our knowledge and information together helps us to also hopefully make educated decisions that help impact us and our families, for generations to come. Thank you again, guys, for tuning in. I'm Crypto Waymo signing out. Don't forget to like, share, comment in regards to this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.